There are many types of investors and traders in our crazy markets. You have the boomer types who make up the traditional investor stereotype. Then you have the average Joe who has a 401k that he contributes to every month, buying and holding stocks that everyone suggests, like Apple, Microsoft, and SPY. You also have day traders who make money off swings both ways in the market, long or short. There are also degenerate day traders like the ones you see on wallstreetbets who make ridiculous gambles and pray to God that it pays off. And then there are the apes. And a phenomenon that started with the 2021 GameStop squeeze, there became a new generation of holders that just refused to go away, even when their portfolios are begging them to do so. One of the current strangest groups of investors right now is the Bed Bath & Beyond holders, and it's pretty damn hilarious. You might be thinking, Bed Bath & Beyond? The store that's almost always empty? Yes, that Bed Bath & Beyond. The whole play started in January of 2022, when the Chewy founder and current GameStop chairman Ryan Cohen bought an almost 10% stake of Bed Bath & Beyond, and then he revealed his position in March. That news sent the stock soaring, with a huge pump from the Wall Street bets gamblers and the GameStop fans who thought they may have found the next big short squeeze, or MOASS. People poured into calls and shares, because if this could be anything like the GameStop situation, people definitely didn't want to miss out. What happened next was not what the people wanted. The stock bled out. People were wondering what the hell happened. There were accusations of illegal short selling to suppress the price. Holders who aped into the same exact calls as Ryan Cohen ended up bag holding pretty quickly. The slide downwards went on for months, and the apes were getting more and more desperate. That was until around August, when the stock rallied and even hit $30 within a few days, all the way up from $4. Was this it? Was this the mother of all short squeezes? Is it about to happen? Would people be upgrading their 2004 Honda Civics to G-Wagons? What happened next would be the cause for a new set of meltdowns that would last for another months, and created a new generation of bag holders. Ryan Cohen filed a Form 144, which was an announcement that he would be selling all of his position in Bed Bath & Beyond. Every last penny was to be sold. This news sent the price drilling, and the apes were in disbelief. Some people even refused to believe it. There were posts on the front page of Wall Street Bets and other subreddits denying that the forms were even real, and that Ryan Cohen actually didn't sell. Apes thought Ryan Cohen could actually sue the news networks for reporting it falsely. However, the next day, it was confirmed. Ryan Cohen did in fact sell, and that's where he got the nickname Rug Pull Ryan.
Are you serious right now, bro?
With the news official, Wall Street Bets banned and removed users who continued spreading conspiracy theories about Ryan not actually selling, so the apes migrated to r/BBBY, which is the ticker symbol for the retail store. Here is where the apes share their due diligence, theories, and predictions as to the price movements of the stock. And that's where things get crazy. Normally when people take a trade, they do so with some sort of open-mindedness. Nobody's right all of the time. So when a trade's a losing one, a rational person looks to see why they were wrong, and then they just move on. Not the apes though. These holders have determined that their portfolios being red is not because it was just a bad trade. No. It's because of the shills and the hedge funds and Jim Cramer, who manipulated their positions and caused them to be in the red. Anyone who's bearish about the company's dire fundamentals get harassed, labeled as paid shills, hired by Citadel Securities, and ultimately banned from the subreddit entirely. Ken Griffin, who's the CEO of Citadel, is like the devil to the Bed Bath & Beyond crowd. He's allegedly the mastermind behind the downfall of so many stocks across the market. The newest conspiracy was started by Ryan Cohen posting a picture on Twitter with famous investor icahn, which led to speculation that icahn was actually going to purchase Bed Bath & Beyond and then kickstart MOASS. Of course, there's absolutely no proof of this, just an image. icahn actually shorted the top of the GameStop squeeze and made a killer amount. Bed Bath & Beyond somehow has even worse fundamentals than GameStop, so this connection is actually insane. What's even more insane though, is the outright denial of all the facts and fundamentals surrounding the company. Pretty much anyone with a brain knows that Bed Bath & Beyond as a company is screwed. They lose hundreds of millions every single quarter and barely have enough cash to survive another quarter. Every earnings lately has been objectively awful. The company themselves have even announced that bankruptcy is something to consider. Yet the apes convince themselves that all is rosy and that bankruptcy is actually off the table. Bed Bath & Beyond is obviously trying their best to survive and is now taking steps to at least slow their demise. Yet the apes are like, oh, if they're going bankrupt, why would they be making all these steps and hiring all these people? Bruh. The company has a legal duty to do what's best for the shareholders. You think they're just gonna lay down and die and go bankrupt and watch your shares evaporate? Apes will probably see a doctor tell someone they only have a few months to live and be like, oh, if he actually has a few months to live, why should he eat his meals, go to the bathroom, or even pay his bills? It's absolutely crazy, man. That's not to say you can't make money trading Bed Bath & Beyond stock. As I'm speaking right now, the stock is up damn near 10%. But in order to make money on a trade, you actually have to secure profits. I respect the players and traders who are taking the trade with a set goal in mind, and who are willing to get out if their trade is wrong. But those who are playing the victim are really setting themselves up for a harsh wipeout. Bed, bags, and bankruptcy won't be around for long, and lots of apes are gonna have to deal with it the hard way. Soccer moms spending their coupons to buy towels sadly will not save the company anytime soon. Thank you for watching.